Have you ever come across one of those gadgets that sound too good to be true? Like it promises to fix your entire sleep routine in one go? Well, that's exactly what the Havie Lamp claims to do. It calls itself an all-in-one sleep sanctuary, packing ambient lighting with 18 color modes, white noise, Bluetooth audio, and even wireless charging into one sleek bedside device. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate nighttime companion, right? But after digging deeper, things aren't quite as dreamy as the marketing suggests. First off, the brand's website drops big media names, but there's no actual proof, no links, no real mentions anywhere. Then comes the overly pushy marketing, constant countdown timers, flashy discounts, and only a few left in stock warnings that reset every time you reload the page. That's usually a red flag. Their listed business address? Turns out it's copied straight from another site, which raises even more questions about authenticity. As for reviews, they're suspiciously glowing and were posted before the website even went live, which just doesn't add up. Plus, there's zero real feedback from actual buyers on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, which is unusual for a supposedly trending product. To be fair, the idea behind the Havie Lamp is genuinely appealing. Combining sound, light, and charging into one bedside hub could be useful if done well. But right now, there's simply not enough credible evidence to trust this product or the company behind it. It's not necessarily a scam, but it's also not something you'd want to buy without serious caution. So before you get tempted by the cozy ads and soothing music, maybe wait until there's solid proof it actually delivers what it promises.